Hi guys, in this activity what you have to do is to listen to the recording and look at the pictures. Then you have to check the questions here and see if you can answer them listening to the tape. The first question is, where did the children go yesterday afternoon? The second question is, which teacher was there? Question number 3, who did Stella play chess with? Question number 4, who wasn't good at dancing? Okay, you have here the pictures, so listen and think.
Listen and check. What did you do yesterday afternoon at the after-school club, kids?
Well, first we helped Mr. Burke. Oh! Alex and I cleaned the chairs. And then we carried them into the hall.
And what did you do, Stella?
I played chess with Mira, and then we all started to think about our school show.
Yes, Mr. Burke wanted us to do a musical. We had to sing.
Oh.
And we danced. Did you dance, Simon? Well, I didn't dance, but I hopped, skipped, and jumped to the music. And Mira and Stella laughed a lot.
Well, Simon, you were funny. Mr. Burke watched us dancing and listened to us singing, but then he stopped us.
So, what now?
Mr. Burke doesn't want us to do a musical this year.
Oh, it's great. I don't have to sing and dance.